Until recently, Cholo Yadav could make sense of his surroundings only by touching. But he found a new vision 6 months ago. With a free cataract operation, this milkman was able to resume work and support his family.
जब मोतियाबिंद की थी हुआ तो अब काम मैंने ऑपरेशन जब से हुआ तब से अब हम किसी के भरोसा नहीं कर सकते हैं, हम अपने से सब काम कर ले रहे हैं.
Cholo Yadav is one of the many beneficiaries of the hospitals set up by Satish Girija in two of the most backward districts in Jharkhand, Hazaribagh and Dumka.
हम इस एरिया में 1976 ईस्वी से काम कर रहे थे और गांव-गांव हम जा रहे थे, देखते थे कि यहाँ पे आई पेशेंट के लिए कोई भी इलाज की व्यवस्था नहीं है. सरकारी अस्पतालों में भी जो है उसके अच्छी चिकित्सा की कोई सुविधा नहीं थी, दवाएं नहीं मिलती थी और यहाँ के पेशेंट को मद्रास या कलकत्ता जाना पड़ता था और गरीबी के कारण बहुत लोग नहीं जा पाते थे तो उनके आँख की रोशनी चली जाती थी. तो हम लोगों ने साइट सेवर्स इंटरनेशनल से संपर्क किया और उनकी मदद से उन्होंने सपोर्ट करने के लिए अपने हाथ बढ़ाए और उनकी मदद से हमने यहाँ पर 2005 ईस्वी में आँख अस्पताल की स्थापना की.
Realizing that cataract remains the leading cause of blindness in the country, Satish got together with 3 of his friends to bring free eye care to those who need it the most.
लोकनायक जयप्रकाश आँख अस्पताल पिछले लगभग 8 वर्षों से कार्यरत है और हमने देखा है कि पहले लोगों को आँखों की देखभाल के बारे में ज्ञान नहीं था. मोतियाबिंद होता था तो उसके गांव के जो सुदूर एरिया में लोग थे वो उसकी इलाज करवाते नहीं थे, अंधापन में अपनी ज़िंदगी गुजार देते थे. आँख अस्पताल जब से स्थापित हुआ है लोगों को ये लगता है कि यहाँ वो अपनी इलाज करा सकते हैं. अब उनके पास पैसा नहीं है तो भी उनकी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो आसानी से यहाँ पर निःशुल्क चिकित्सा अपनी करवा सकते हैं. यहाँ पे आँखों की देखभाल के बारे में लोगों को ज्ञान नहीं था. हम लोगों ने नुक्कड़ नाटक के द्वारा, मीटिंग्स करके, पोस्टर और पंपलेट के द्वारा जो है आँखों की देखभाल कैसे करनी चाहिए, अपनी आँखों की रक्षा कैसे सुरक्षा कर सकते हैं उसके बारे में हमने किया है.
Loknayak Jayaprakash Eye Hospital also organizes free eye screening camps every week in remote villages in Jharkhand. The team tirelessly works round the clock to care, serve and treat these cataract patients for whom life would have lost all meaning without their eyesight. Over the last 8 years, LNJP has done 39,760 surgeries successfully, making Satish and his team a messiah for these otherwise forgotten people.
8 साल से वो आंखों की बीमारी से झेल रहे हैं, कई वैसे 3-3 साल से 2-2 साल से झेल रहे हैं. लेकिन वो मैंने पूछा क्यों नहीं आप पहले आए तो वो बताते कि हमको कोई लाने वाला नहीं था. ये यहाँ पे कैटरेक्ट का कैंप लग रहा था, हमें जानकारी मिली इसलिए हम पास में था, हम आ गए और उसको फिर हम अपने बस में बैठा के फ्री उनको लाते हैं. तो ये जो है ये हम लगभग हर हफ्ता 2 कैंप लगाते हैं. साल में आप कह सकते हैं 80 से 90 कैंप जो है प्रति महीना 8 से 10 कैंप हम लगाते हैं.
Sumitra Devi is one of the thousands of cataract patients waiting for her turn outside the operation theatre.
मोतियाबिंद के ऑपरेशन करने वाले हैं जो हम आज हो जाएगा तो हम खुश हैं. सुझेगा तो हम थोड़ा खुश रहेंगे कि हमारे ऑपरेशन हो गया.
सुमित्रा देवी आप हैं?
She knows life will change for the better soon. Hailing from a family where his mother is a housemaid and father a security guard, 13-year-old Mukesh never thought of spinning the football under professional guidance until one day his favorite sport came at his foreground.
विकासपुरी पुलिस लाइन में दिल्ली पुलिस और फुटबॉल लीग ने मिलकर एक प्रोग्राम चलाया, युवा प्रोग्राम. उसके अंदर हमें फुटबॉल्स और बाकी गेम्स भी सिखाए जाते हैं. वहाँ पे मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे कोच मिले. जब यहाँ पे आए तो मुझे अच्छी सीख मिली और मैं वहाँ अपने टाइम का अच्छे से यूज़ करने लगा और मैं काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन हो गया. मैं वेल मेंटेन हो गया. स्कूल प्रॉपरली जाता था. मेरी 100% अटेंडेंस आने लगी. स्कूल में ग्रेड्स अच्छे आने लगे.
Making dreams come true for children like Mukesh is Chetan Mishra's football link. platform that works for the social, moral and ethical development of underprivileged children through the medium of football.
A lot of children in our society are not getting the right resources, right guidance. So Football Link, the whole aim was can we use football to link everyone in society and give a platform to children to excel, and especially the underprivileged children, which is what CYDP or Child and Youth Development Program is, working with the police on that, so that we can use the law enforcement agencies and we can basically create an atmosphere for the children through a sport where they not only have fun, lead a healthy lifestyle, but more so learn various ethical, moral, social values, which I feel is slightly being lost in this whole transition that we're making as a country.
The unique aspect of Chetan's project is the involvement of the Delhi police in mentoring the kids away from drugs, abuse, crime and exploitation.
When I came back to India after 10 years, I saw there was a lot of chaos about it. There's a lot of crime, there's a lot of things that are happening and the people are not happy about, and you automatically look up to the law enforcement or the police, what are they doing? So then that's what kind of piqued my curiosity, like what's really happening. And what I realized is the police, the effectiveness of the police, it all depends on how much trust there is there between the society and the police. So partly this whole program is if we can make the children comfortable with police mentors in police grounds, so then that fear factor, whatever is present, that can be overcome.
Constable Dinesh Kumar from Vikaspuri has been coaching these underprivileged kids for the past 1 year. He has not only noticed the changes in their behavior, but also improvement in their social development.
काफ़ी बदलाव आया उनके बोलने चालने में। जैसे वो पहले आते थे पार्कों में खेलते थे, अब उनका कुछ टाइमिंग फिक्स हुआ है, जैसे सुबह खेलते हैं, शाम को खेलते हैं, दिन में स्कूल जाते हैं। पहले वो स्कूल नहीं जाते थे, पार्कों में बैठे रहते थे। अब उनको हमारे साथ मिलकर वो स्कूल जाने लगे हैं और अब मतलब घर की भी काफ़ी वो करते हैं।
More than 400 underprivileged children and youth participate in the regular coaching and game sessions across 3 centers of the Police Battalion ground in New Delhi.
Various activities that we do. One is coaching, for example, so improving skills. One is certain mentorship programs. So basically after game sessions, then they sit, then they talk, then they express certain things which they want to express to the coaches, to the police, and kind of build that connect. We're going to be starting presentations in schools, talking about the whole aspect, how the police can help a child, protect a child, and at the same time why sports is very, very important to augment education.
Providing a fun, healthy and progressive environment for children through football is an inspiration Chetan is putting forth. Surely a spark of motivation.
It's an effort. It's an effort to link people, to get everyone together. So whoever can contribute whatever in whatever format, whether it's time, whether it's money, whether it's certain resources in kind, just getting them together. And I feel that it's a very important thing for society, and it's nice to be doing that.
It's a busy day at the Jogia village in Uttar Pradesh. A team of experts has arrived to help farmers identify the right type of soil for cultivation. Pramod is one of the beneficiaries.
जन सेवा केंद्र के माध्यम से और यहाँ पर आके किसान भाइयों से संपर्क किया, हमसे भी संपर्क किया और हमारी फसल के बारे में उन्होंने मिट्टी की जांच की। मिट्टी की जांच में किसानों के जो भी कमियां थीं उन कमियों को बताया। काफ़ी फ़ायदा हो रहा है फसल में, और जहाँ तक अंदाज़ा है हम उस जो हमको पहले हानि होती थी या कम पैदावार निकाल पाते थे, आज हमको लग रहा है कि मैं 10 से 12 मन का बीघा अपने खेत से निकाल लूँगा।
Providing support and inputs to thousands of farmers like Pramod Kumar is Unnati, an agriculture-based services company.
The whole idea of doing this is how do you go ahead and enable, IT, ICT and the experts all combined together in an integrated way to solve various problems of the farmers, right? Who basically are unable to do precision farming because they are deprived of this particular technology. And what we do is we ensure that while we put it into an integrated form, we make it economically viable for the farmers to go ahead and consume these services so that they can go ahead and do farming which is not only profitable, is also sustainable in short term as well as in long term.
A lot of people actually had been using technology to reach out to farmers, but they were offering certain slices of the whole service cycle, whereas the farmers wanted that, okay, if I get mandi rates, then not only the rates about that, but what if I'm not able to sell at the right rate at this point of time? So what should I do next? So that is where we thought of a particular service where we could support the farmer throughout the life cycle, be with him right from identifying which crop he does, to how he does it, to where does he sell the output, and what does he do after that.
Co-founded by Amit Sinha and Ashok Prasad, Unnati helps the farmer improve his income by following certain methods.
The whole services are slotted into advisory services where the farmer support thing is going on. We offer soil testing services. We offer agri input provisioning where we would provide seeds from branded outputs and then various other kinds of agri chemicals. And then we are also in discussions to offer financial services which are typically related to crop loans and pledge loans. So these are the 4 things that we currently offer to the farmer.
Farmers registered with their call center know that scientific advice on crop cultivation is just a phone call away.
We share a toll-free number with the farmers where farmers can dial in and they can ask a question related to whatever they are doing. Our people would also keep on calling them back every alternate week, every week, depending on their crop life cycle, which is created out of a sowing date, which is specific to that farmer. Now this whole back-end technology supported by mobile applications which are used to capture field information and send it back to the experts who are sitting at the Noida call center, and then they would offer help services to the farmers.
Unnati reaches more than 4,000 farmers and the network is growing every day.
Since the last 3 crop life cycles, we have been working with around 4,000 farmers who have been taking these services from us. In a recent survey that we got done through an independent agency, farmers are very happy with the advisory services that they get. That is one big difference that they see when they come to us vis-a-vis any other place, and the proactive nature of the services, because typically we would take it to a logical conclusion in terms of providing a solution rather than leaving anywhere in between.
In a country where a majority of the farmers have to battle against all odds, Unnati is doing its best to support farmers for profitable and sustainable farming. Often marginalized by society, these differently abled children have found a ray of hope in Umeed. A child development center started by Dr. Vibha Krishnamurthy.
The idea was to start a center where 3 things would happen. Firstly, that families would get all things under one roof, families of children with disability. Secondly, a place where families felt empowered. So it wasn't just about the specialists giving gyan about what they are supposed to do, but really about families feeling like they know how to work with their children, where children felt like this was a safe space where they could be themselves. And thirdly, the idea was that it would be for all. Whether they could afford it or not, this would be a place that would be a not-for-profit that everybody could be part of.
After coming back to India in 1999, Dr. Vibha worked with several hospitals and medical institutions. Inspired by her stint, she felt the urge to do something for the often neglected, differently abled kids. and in 2001 she founded Ummeed, an extraordinary initiative that gives specialized care to children with special needs.
Knowing that people come with hope and knowing that people discover, how they already know how to cope and rediscover those abilities and are able to put those into practice and go back feeling very empowered and feeling like this is something they can do. That's, it's inspiring and it's motivating and it makes you happy.
Best thing means I got a chance to meet with Sachin Tendulkar 2 times from here. The wishes which I wanted, it's been completed and I am satisfied with it and I love everyone here.
Ummeed inspires to reach out to each and every child who needs physical or mental care, with the simple aim of making them realize their potential and find their standing in society.
To reach out to all children with disabilities or children at risk for disabilities for some reason, whether because they're poor or they're growing up in an environment that doesn't stimulate their development, and help them reach their full potential. So to make them part of an inclusive society that values them. That's really our ultimate objective.
Today, Ummeed provides clinical services, pediatric assessments, therapies and early intervention sessions. They also give special training to individuals who guide the differently abled underprivileged children, with a special emphasis on speech training and physical activities.
जो डिसेबल्ड बच्चे रहते हैं उनके साथ बार बार वो करना पड़ता है, बार बार सिखाना पड़ता है. कभी कभी ये भी होता है कि 10 बार सिखाने पर भी नहीं कर पाते बच्चे, लेकिन जब वो कर पाते, थोड़ा सा भी जब वो अचीव होता है ना, तो लगता है हाँ, कुछ तो हमारी मेहनत सफल हुई.
I am privileged enough to be able to listen to children, talk to children, hear what their inner thoughts are. I get to work with families where we celebrate small things, a first step, a first word, the first time the child wrote something. I get to celebrate those little victories. It gives me so much perspective on life in general, because when you see people celebrating small victories, you realize the small things are important.
With just 8 therapists when they started, today Ummeed has grown into a family of 50. An incredible institute, Ummeed believes in walking with the child and the parent at every step.